Hey YouTube, I'm back again with another video. It's Ebony Rashana, of course. I know it's been a while. I've been working and trying to also think of more videos. Hold on, give me a second. So, in the midst of Hurricane Dorian, I'm going to be unboxing this hair from Aliexpress. Cover up my address. Okay. Because in the last clip that I'm probably going to have to delete, I showed my address. So, yeah. Isee hair review and unboxing, y'all. I like how they put this little bubble wrap on here. It's a nice box. I haven't got hair in a box in a minute. Alright. Excuse my nail. Excuse all of this because my birthday is in 2 weeks. September 16th, I'll be 19 years old. So most of the unboxing and stuff that I'll be showing this month is for my birthday. So this hair is going to be the hair that I'm going to wear for my birthday and all the events for my birthday. So let's get into it. Alright, let's get into it. I don't want to tear this box because it looks like it's really good. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm about to turn everything out the box. This is Water Wave hair. It is a bob, 12 inches. And it's Water Wave. I was going to get, well, I'll explain my story later on after I show y'all the hair. I don't want to be talking right now. I'm trying to show this hair. Alright. Take the hairnet off. It got caught on my nail. Y'all, so excited. Y'all, it's a lace front wig. You know, I'm excited. Y'all see me looking up, I'm looking in my mirror. Ooh, man, I'm excited. Okay, it's pre-plucked. Oops. It's pre-plucked. It also has some lace in the back. Like, if you want to glue it down in the back, you can. And like pull your hair up in a ponytail or something. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but it gives you that option to have this lace. So if you're not gonna glue, you can just cut the lace in the back and just let it be. But this is 12 inches. It is Water Wave. I wanted a bob for my birthday because I've been doing long wigs and stuff, but I was like, I need to just finally do a bob. It does have a small scent. It's really soft. It is really soft. Let me see if I can pull some of the hair down to show you the length. Why I be saying length? Okay. Matter of fact, y'all look how easy this small comb goes through this hair. A rat tail comb should not be able to comb through hair that easily. Oh, look, it got caught. But it's wow. Y'all, I'm in love. I can run my fingers through it. Let me stop disturbing the curl because I'm not installing this. I'm going to get it installed. So I need to leave it alone. So it's going back in the box so I won't mess with it and do extra stuff to it. But this is my birthday hair. I will be getting it installed on September 13th. And that's my grandpa's birthday. But yeah, September 13th. My other grandpa, his birthday was September 1st. So yeah, we all September babies. Except my mom and everybody born in May. But let's push that out the way. But yeah, so this is the hair for my birthday that I'll be getting installed. I gave y'all a sneak peek. I wasn't going to do an unboxing because I was like, it's my hair for my birthday. I want to surprise everybody. It's fine because you're not going to know what it's going to look like on my face yet anyway. But yeah, the lace is like, let me see how I can explain. It's like a tinted type color. You could probably tell on camera. So really, you don't have to bleach the knots. Well, I mean, you really can, so you won't see the knot like the actual knots and stuff. But you know, when you go get it installed, people put the makeup and they do little stuff to help you and stuff. But I'm happy with it. I mean, I'm really happy with it because I love Isee hair. I had ordered Isee hair last year. Matter of fact, I did a video on that. It was the regular straight bundles. It was Malaysian. This is Brazilian. Yeah, this is Brazilian. And they said this is a 13 by 4 lace. Yep. I thought it was 13 by 6, but it's 13 by 4. Which that's fine with me. Let me see. Okay, it's real versatile. You can part it in a bunch of different ways. Let me leave his hair alone. Okay. Y'all, I'm really in love with this wig, though, for real. They got a little something on Sterling hair, for real. Because this hair is really soft. But I still like Sterling hair, no cap. Love it. But Isee hair, y'all did this. And I will be ordering another wig from y'all later on in the future. Man, I love it. But it's going back in the box until I get it installed for my birthday. Because I don't want to mess with it. Start putting stuff in it and doing extra stuff. But let's get into what came in the box, y'all. I'm just stuck on how good this wig looks, like, honestly. So the wig came in this plastic bag. Sorry, y'all, I have gum in my mouth. I could be smacking and doing extra stuff. I apologize in advance. But yeah. So this is the bag that it came in. This is the net. Protect the hair. And of course, this is the box. It says Isee human, 100% human hair on the front. And on the back, it just gives you their social medias and everything. And I got this hair from Isee Hair on Aliexpress. So they give you a little card. Oops, sorry. It says Isee Hair, see your beauty. It shows you that it's Aliexpress. Oh wow, it gives you hair care tips. It's just telling you like step by step the daily routine for brushing, washing, and air drying. It's telling you how to become an Isee member and different things that you can do to get coupons and money back and different things like that and join their giveaways. So yeah, and then it just shows their social medias on the back again and telling you to follow them to get coupons. It tells you their phone number, their WhatsApp and messaging number. So yeah, I like that because they give you different messaging systems to message them and get up with them. We got a wig cap. It looks like there's 2 of them in there. Wow, never had a hair company send me a wig thing with 2 wig caps, and there usually is just 1. So yeah, they don't play around, y'all. And that's kind of my color for when I do my wigs. Matter of fact, see. Remember, y'all, when I had installed my wig, I had like a color, yeah, it was a color similar to that. So yeah, similar. So I'm gonna put that in my little personal drawer right here for my wig caps. Alright. Had to straighten that up a little bit while I was on camera, y'all. My bad. So yeah. Also, let me talk about this that I got. I went and got Ghost Bonds the other day. Ghost Bonds lace glue the other day. So when I get my wig installed, after like the 2 weeks or whatever, when it start coming up, I can wash the wig, get my hair re-braided down, or if it still is braided good, I can just reapply it. Oops. Dang, Ebony. Okay. I could just reapply it with the Ghost Bonds. So yeah, y'all, I'm really excited about this wig and my birthday. Be on the lookout for more videos. We're going to be doing different events for my birthday. I don't want to kind of give it all away right now, but I will say I'm having a birthday dinner on the 18th of September, 2 days after my birthday. So I will try to vlog for that and just birthday vlogs all in general. And it's one more thing that I'm doing for my birthday that I haven't really told nobody about yet. So get ready, for real. I have not really told anybody about it. I'm excited. But yeah. It's going to be a good birthday. People keep on telling me that. Why am I excited to be 1 year closer to getting old or whatever? I'm glad to be living. I'm glad that I'm here to see these birthdays. So that's why I'm excited, personally. So yeah. But y'all, like I said, I'm put this wig back up in this box so I won't mess with it, do nothing to it. Because I get my hair installed. Tomorrow will be exactly a week when I get my hair installed. And my birthday is in 2 weeks. I think I got like 10 days or 9 days. I think 9 days. Well, I'm so excited, man. Y'all don't know. I'm excited because God is letting me see another birthday. And I will be 19 years old. It's really awkward to say because... wow, That's awkward to say. But y'all pray for North Carolina, the Bahamas, all the beaches, all these areas that is being affected by Hurricane Dorian, because it is not a great feeling, you know, not really knowing what's going on, how fast the hurricane is coming, what type it is, 3 or 4, 2, you know. I think they said it's at a level 2 right now. It's back and forth from level 2 and 3. So y'all just pray for everybody. Check on your family members that stay in North Carolina, the Bahamas, wherever they may be. Just check on your family members. Make sure they have everything they need, especially like the older people. Make sure they definitely have what they need so they won't be out here trying to get it and put their self in danger. Make sure all the children are good. Everybody has everything they need. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. It's going to be more videos coming. I know I've been missing for a little while, missing the action. Been trying to get some stuff done with work. Because you know I work at a daycare, so I had to make sure those kids is good and everything is good. The parents and everybody got everything they need. So y'all, I've been just working, trying to make sure everybody is all right. So thank you guys for watching. I will be doing vlogging next week when I get my hair done, my nails done, pedicure, and eyebrows and all that stuff done again. Which my eyebrows really don't look bad, but I'm going to go ahead and get them done again. So they'll be cleaned up completely so I can do my makeup for my... Oop, I almost said what I... I almost gave it away. I'm going to give it away in the next video. But yeah, y'all. This is the new eyebrow stuff I'm using now. Astasia, however you say it. Beverly Hills. I think I got the wrong color this time. I got dark brown. I don't really think I needed dark brown for my eyebrows. I really don't know. I should have asked somebody again. But it's fine. It doesn't look too bad. So yeah. Just had to show y'all some new products. I showed y'all the glue and I showed y'all that. So yeah, I'm so excited for my birthday, guys. I know I'm rambling now because I'm just so excited. Why did my alarm system just beep? Oh, it's giving us a weather update. Sorry, y'all. I know my face expressions be priceless. But yeah, so I'm probably going to do a couple vlog videos with my mama around the house while the storm is going on. My dad is at work right now. But yeah, we'll probably just be checking in with y'all, giving y'all updates on Hurricane Dorian and everything like that. But yeah, y'all please order y'all some Isee hair. Please order y'all some Isee hair. Like, this hair is so soft. The smell is not bad. You know, you can dye it, you can bleach it, because it takes bleach well. Trust me, I read up on everything before I did it, and I made a wig with Isee hair before, just the regular straight Malaysian hair. So I know it's really good hair for me to still have that hair a whole year later, and it's still good quality. So trust me on that. But yeah, y'all, have a nice day. Have a blessed day. I'm praying for everybody. Love y'all. See y'all later. And order from Isee Hair on Aliexpress.